The morning my Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim arrived, I was skeptical. Another kitchen gadget destined for the appliance graveyard? I'd been burned before by promises of cafe-quality coffee at home, machines that delivered mediocre results before dying unceremonious deaths after a few months of service. But as I sliced through the packaging tape and lifted this sleek black machine from its box, something felt different. Maybe it was the surprising heft in my hands, or perhaps the minimalist design that didn't scream I'm trying too hard to look professional. 3 weeks and 47 espressos later, yes, I've been counting, I'm ready to confess. I've fallen hard for this slim little powerhouse, and my local barista is starting to take it personally. What transformed me from a coffee shop regular to a home brewing enthusiast? Let me walk you through my journey with the machine that saved my wallet, elevated my mornings, and somehow managed to fit into the narrow sliver of counter space between my toaster and microwave, a feat that deserves recognition in itself. Build quality and design. When I first unboxed the Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim, I was immediately impressed by its thoughtful design. At just 6.54 inches wide, this machine truly lives up to its slim name, making it perfect for my limited counter space. The sleek black exterior with stainless steel accents gives it a modern, sophisticated look that complements my kitchen aesthetic. The machine weighs about 12.79 pounds, giving it enough heft to feel substantial without being difficult to move when needed. I appreciate the attention to detail in the construction. The water reservoir holds an impressive 51 ounces and removes easily for filling and cleaning. One of my favorite design elements is the adjustable drip tray that accommodates various cup sizes, including travel mugs up to 20 ounces. This feature has been incredibly convenient for my busy mornings when I need coffee on the go. The cup warming plate on top is another thoughtful touch that ensures my espresso stays at the perfect temperature. While the machine is primarily made of plastic with stainless steel accents, it doesn't feel cheap. That said, I have noticed it picks up fingerprints and smudges relatively easily, requiring regular wiping to maintain its sleek appearance. Functionality and performance. The Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim operates with 15 bars of pressure, which I've found delivers consistently balanced extraction for my espresso shots. The 52mm stainless steel bottomless portafilter is a standout feature. I love being able to watch my espresso being crafted in real time, with those beautiful layers of crema forming before my eyes. Setting up the machine was straightforward, taking me about 20 minutes for initial setup and rinsing before I could pull my first shot one. The controls are intuitive, with simple buttons for single or double shots and a knob for controlling the steam hot water function. The machine heats up remarkably quickly, which I appreciate during my rushed mornings. The noise level during operation is pleasantly subdued compared to other espresso machines I've used. The brewing speed impresses me as well. I can have an espresso ready in under a minute once the machine is warmed up. Espresso quality. The quality of espresso from this machine has exceeded my expectations for a home unit in this price range. My shots come out with a rich crema and smooth flavor profile that rivals what I'd get at many coffee shops. While it may not match the precision of high-end professional machines, it delivers excellent results for everyday home use. I've experimented with different coffee beans and grinds, and the machine handles them all admirably. The included single and double shot filters make it easy to adjust the strength of my espresso based on my daily mood and needs. Milk frothing capabilities. The steam frothing wand has been a game changer for my morning lattes and cappuccinos. It produces good quality microfoam with some practice, though I did experience a learning curve to get the technique just right. The included stainless steel milk jug is a nice touch and pairs perfectly with the frothing wand. I've found the steam power to be adequate for home use, though not as powerful as commercial machines. It takes about 45 to 60 seconds to properly steam milk for a latte, which feels reasonable for my morning routine. Special features. The cold extraction feature is something I didn't expect to love as much as I do. It forces room temperature water through the coffee grounds, creating a strong cold coffee base, perfect for iced drinks. While this process is slower than hot extraction, the results are worth the wait. Smooth, less acidic cold coffee without dilution from ice. The charcoal water filter is another feature I appreciate, as it ensures the water going into my espresso is clean and free of impurities that could affect taste. The cup warming plate on top of the machine is a thoughtful addition that ensures my espresso stays at the ideal temperature. Ease of use and cleaning. For daily use, this machine strikes a good balance between simplicity and customization. The controls are straightforward enough for beginners, but offer enough flexibility for those who want to experiment with their coffee. Cleaning is relatively straightforward, though not without some minor challenges. The removable drip tray and water reservoir make regular maintenance simple. The portafilter and filters rinse clean easily, and the included steam wand cleaning pin helps keep the frother functioning properly. Power efficiency. In terms of power consumption, the machine operates at 1250 watts, which is standard for espresso machines in this category. I haven't noticed any significant impact on my electricity bill since adding it to my kitchen lineup. The quick heating time means it doesn't need to draw power for extended periods before use. The machine also seems to manage power efficiently during standby periods. While it doesn't have an explicit energy-saving mode, it doesn't seem to consume excessive power when not actively brewing. Value for money. Priced at $199.95, the Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim represents good value considering its feature set and performance. The inclusion of accessories like the stainless steel milk jug, filters, coffee scoop, tamper, and cleaning pin enhances the value proposition, as these would otherwise be separate purchases with many competing machines. The 3-year limited warranty provides peace of mind and speaks to Cuisinart's confidence in their product's durability. Limitations. While I'm generally impressed with this machine, it's not without limitations. The portafilter, while functional, is lightweight compared to higher-end machines, and the tamper, integrated into the bottom of the scoop, feels like an area where an upgrade might be beneficial for serious espresso enthusiasts. Locking the portafilter into place sometimes requires a bit more effort than I'd like, though this has improved with use as I've gotten more familiar with the machine's mechanics. The frothing wand, while effective, doesn't quite match the steam power of more expensive machines, requiring a bit more patience and technique to achieve barista-quality microfoam. So should you buy it? After several weeks of daily use, the Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim Espresso machine has earned its place in my kitchen. Its compact design, consistent espresso quality, and versatility make it an excellent choice for home baristas with limited space who don't want to compromise on their coffee experience. The machine strikes a good balance between simplicity and capability, making it accessible for beginners while still satisfying for those with more experience. The cold extraction feature and travel mug accommodation add versatility that many competitors lack. While it may not match the precision and power of machines costing 2 or 3 times as much, it delivers excellent results for its price point. For anyone looking to bring cafe-quality espresso drinks into their home without breaking the bank or sacrificing counter space, the Cuisinart Espresso Bar Slim is a compelling option that I can confidently recommend. Whether you're pulling a quick morning espresso shot, crafting a weekend latte, or experimenting with cold coffee creations, this machine handles it all with aplomb. It's become an indispensable part of my daily routine, and I suspect it would do the same for many other coffee enthusiasts.